Okay, we're going to take a short walk in the backyard here, and we're going to talk about something very unique called ice crystals. It's been really cold, single-digit temperatures these past few days, and what it's been doing is it's actually been forming ice crystals on the plants. So you can see the vapors in the air, water vapors, they attach to the plants, and the molecules, when they align with each other, they form these ice crystals. So very, very unique. They're on all the plants back here. This happens when it gets to be really cold temperatures like this. So take a look at some of these, see if we can get up close and they just keep forming off of each other. As you can see here, I'll get a little bit closer, the crystals actually grow off of each other. So that's all the molecules in there lining up. So when water freezes and nature gets a hold of it, it can create some very beautiful scenes. Well, enjoy your day and keep exploring nature. Okay, so what is happening to form these water crystals? Well, water is a liquid, and the reason is because water is made up of H2O. I'm sure you've heard that before. What does it mean? 2 parts hydrogen atoms and 1 part of an oxygen atom. Now, when these atoms get together, they form this water molecule. This water molecule is floating around with other water molecules, and they're kind of dancing together, forming a liquid. Now, as it gets cold, these water molecules, they combine, or they get close to each other, they slow down, and if they have something to grab onto, then they can grab onto each other. So they need something to hold them stable. Once they're stable, then they can connect with each other, forming the crystals. I've got a really easy experiment that I want to show you that will explain this a little bit better. Super cool, this water. In other words, I stuck it in the freezer for a couple of hours. And as you can see, it's still in a liquid form. And the reason is because the molecules have not lined up yet. Now, what happens when, watch this, we hit it like that, see the crystals going down? And they'll work their way all the way down because now they have something to grab onto, and each one's building off of the next one. So that's how this works with the crystals.